Good morning and welcome back to the studio. It is part 2 or day 2 of part 7 of our video series here on doing this large commission. If you haven't seen the other parts, check out the link up here, which is the playlist for the entire series, which starts right from building this large canvas all the way up to where we're at here. What we did yesterday, a lot of changes to the sky. Which I knew was happening. That was the sky that was here previously was just sort of a placeholder. So happy to get some of that work done. I'm going to do some more work on it today. So let's get started. All right then, welcome back. And this one's going to be a short one today because it's just kind of a lot of the same stuff going on. It is important work. I'm starting to do the definition and adding more color to the clouds, adding shadow, and most of all adding layers and depth to the clouds. So right now the clouds are all kind of flat, but what I like to do is start to add areas in the back where it sort of gives us an opportunity to have streamers of clouds come out and over top of some of the other clouds like we're doing here. You can see that little section there is going to sort of pop out and look like that's coming in front of everything. So that really starts to add some nice 3D look to it, and gives a lot of depth to the painting and to the clouds. They look a lot less flat when I do this. And that's basically what I'm doing for the whole day here, is just going through and, like I said, adding some more color. Now, because I changed the way I'm releasing these videos, I didn't film the wrap-ups for days 14, 15, and 16, so I'm just going to wrap it up here. I hope you're enjoying this series. Please check my channel for the complete playlist. If you like these videos, please give us a like. That really helps the channel. If you want to continue following along, please click the subscribe button and definitely click the bell if you want to be notified when I release these. Just stay tuned for one little thing, because I'd really love you to check out my website, because that's how I pay my studio rent. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time.